Hey guys, I thought I would post a little update of my living room because I did a little painting and I want to show you how it turned out. So I painted this door here blue. Ocean, let me record, bud. Okay. He missed me because I just got off a night shift. Okay, so yeah, I did this door blue. It was white before. So I didn't want to actually paint the handle there, but I had to because it was already painted, and I first left it this like beige color that it was, but it looked weird, so I did have to paint it. Here's the other side. This was the only part that wasn't painted. So I think what I'm gonna do actually is try to expose the original. I don't know if it was brass or what it was originally, but I'll try to expose that at a later time. So yeah, I did that. There's Kiwi. And the other thing I painted, Ocean, please dude, chill. You're being annoying. And then the other thing I painted was this shelf right here. It was also just kind of an off-white color. I had left it unpainted because I planned to paint it a color, so I didn't paint it white when I did the walls, but it was pretty much white. And I think, I don't know if I could kind of step back and show you the room in sort of a further scale away, but I think just these two little pops of color really make a difference. I don't know if that's showing up more gray than it looks. It's sort of a sage green color, but I really like it. Yeah, you know, I know it's not a major change, but I'm kind of at the point now where I just want to do like little tweaks. If each week I can kind of get like one little thing done, then that's a success. So that was all I was able to do this past week, and I'm pretty happy about it. I'll just show you the impression, I guess, when you come in. So this is like when you come in the front door, you walk this way, you see the blue. This door leads to the basement. And then that's the book, the sort of display shelf. And actually this color is the same color as my kitchen, that I painted my kitchen cabinets. I'll show you over here. Yeah, it's that same color. And my stairs are also green actually, but that is a different color. It's a different green. You could actually notice it pretty well here. Anyways, just wanted to give that quick update so you could kind of see the little changes I made this week. And yeah, I just thought that those two little pops of color make a nice difference in the room. So kind of happy with that. And I will catch you on the next video. I think the next one I might be showing you the gate that I built, because I actually just built a gate for my garden. I didn't film the process, regrettably, but I'll show you the result and I'll kind of explain how I did it, I guess. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.